Hey everyone, this is another video here. Today we are going to be talking about an accessory that I purchased for the Model 3, something that I'm going to be reviewing here in the channel, but today is going to be an unboxing and setup. So this is the TopFit Tesla Model 3 phone holder, and this is kind of how it looks like right here. I also have a GoPro right here running right now so that we can have a good view as to what's happening. We use this phone just so that we have a kind of more of a more close-up view of what's going on, and so we have an idea of how this would look like. So this is the Model 3 auto lock design from TopFit. It has a glasses holder, makes no sounds, and it's shockproof. So we'll have to test that out, but currently I'm just going to get this to try it out and see how it looks and how it fits. So this was about $60 on Amazon, give or take. I'll have a link on it for the Amazon link, and also if you want to just get it straight from TopFit, I got it from Amazon because they have Prime Now. So not Prime Now, the Prime shipping. So to see what they have here, the phone holder has a gravity link lock design that releases your phone easily with one hand. Brackets used to install both sensor console screen, and it's fixed to the frame structure. And then behind it, there's a glasses holder, which is easy to handle with the silicone material to make sure there's no noise. Whereas the Model 3, which I suspect would work for the Model Y since they're the same exact screen. So yeah, so let's get started. Right here we have the opening. Just gonna take this out really quick. Just gonna take this out right here. Okay. Just gonna take this all out here. Right here. Put this down real quick. And this is the box right here. Nothing else is in here. So also something else to note on the box is that it says black gray, so I'm suspecting to have a gray color. Double checking the website right now, I don't know, but on Amazon it's only in black, and that's the one I've seen so far. So I'm gonna put this down on the side right now and see what we have here. So right here, this is the kind of the knob that would go around here in the fixture. Let's put this back. And this is the TopFit thing that we would put on, that we'll lock into here, and then look this way, and then it'll put it on the side that way or over there. We'll put these in the cup holder real quick. Glasses holder. So yeah, this is silicone. Right here. So this is silicone. So this would just attach right below it, like that. And then it'll work, and it looks pretty great. So let me see, because I have my glasses holder with the because I have a triangle glasses holder right here from Warby Parker. This would probably just go on like that, which fits pretty well actually, so it'll work. I'm not going to just put the glasses on its own. I'll put it with the case, so that's great. Great. So inside of here there was also a USB cable. USB-C cable to be exact. This would be what we use to plug into the 12 volt, sorry. A Chinese instruction, or kind of the manual, I guess, for what it is. So here we go. This is the Chinese instruction. It tells you what you get. And then all these are in Chinese. There we go. We flip it over, it's in English. It tells you the accessories you get and what to do. This is the mount itself right here. So as you can see, this is the hooks for the glasses holder. So this is the hooks, and this is the hook for either side of the phone. So it doesn't come with 12 volt anymore, but their instructional video came with a 12 volt. But this would basically mean that you would plug it in where your Sentry mode camera is. So I'm going to go over to GoPro now to show you guys how to install this. Alright, so first the instructions were to put these glasses holder on the bottom. So we're gonna put this first. So you just hook it on like that. So like so, you put it in like that, and this would work. So just to show you guys in the cameras. So right here, you see this right here, you would put this under it. So you have to go with that. And then we would probably want to also install this right now. So what you do is you take this right here, and you push this in right there, and then you lock it so that you don't have to tilt. So you want to lock it 90 degrees pretty much, and then you want to lock it up with that so that it doesn't move as much. And then we're going to put it like this right here. So we're going to put this right here. So let's put this in. Just putting this in now. So it would stay put basically right here, and then we would put this down this way. So we just slide it in pretty much. So I'm gonna remove this really quick because it doesn't seem like it's a perfect fit. Just so we have an idea of how it fits in. Okay, so you have to push it in pretty hard to get this in correctly all the way. But once it's snugged in, pretty much, you have to push pretty in to get it snug. But I would say this is pretty even. Kind of expect this lip here to go in more, but they look the same on this side, so look pretty even. Better panel gaps than what we get when you get a Model 3 in the beginning. So anyway, so what I was saying before was this, I would push this in here so that it would go all the way in, because it didn't go in before. So you want to kind of push that in a bit. And as you can see, at this driving lever, you can tell that this TopFit is just about at my gear shift. So that's not great. So let's see what we can do here to kind of fix this problem. So right now, I'm gonna put on this side for now and see how this looks first. But by putting it here, as you guys can see before, it was a little bit too close for comfort. So I'm gonna plug this in really quick just to see how it looks on the phone, and then I'll show you guys all of that. The cable for the wireless charging thing. Let's just plug it in. Make sure it's snug. Okay, and then from here, in the below this point. So right here, we're gonna plug that in right there. So let's plug that in. Sorry for the angling. I'm just gonna plug it in. Okay, so I just plugged it in. Just so you guys have an idea, right here, as you can see, it's on. So when you click on this right here, there's these inductions and it turns it on. So let me just show you again. Let me just turn it off. So if you click on it right here, any part right here, it'll turn it on and off, right? So what we're gonna do is you can tap it, and I'm gonna turn off the one here, and then what we're gonna do is gonna take your phone and you would put it down, and once it starts charging, it's gonna lock it up, and it starts charging right here. As you can see, it's charging at this point, and I really can't see it, but when you tap on here, it'll turn it off. I don't really like this angle right now. Let me just try tightening it in a bit more. I don't like this angle right now because of the way it works. I don't really like it. It doesn't really work for me. It's just hard to see. I mean, it works, but it kind of defeats the purpose in some sense. Like, I want to be able to use Waze on this, so let me just pull up Waze and just try it out. This is probably better if you had a 12 volt because you can hide the cables a bit better. But I'm probably gonna keep it like this right now. And then we're gonna put this back. I'm just gonna clean up everything here, and then I'll show you another view of everything. So what you would do is get this, go into the center console armrest, and then there's like a 12 volt right here. Just right here. There's a 12 volt right here, and you would plug it into the 12 volt, and then the cable connects from here. And right here, the armrest would be able to close. And just to prove my point, I could have my cable right here, and the armrest would lock right here. So the cable wouldn't have a problem going through around like this right here, and then you taping a wire right here. So whatever works for anyone. For me, I'm pretty happy with the solution as of right now. Having a little cable stick out, I'm okay with it. I don't really mind. But yeah, I think it's really cool that you could just do this and you just put your phone down. So right now it's in open position, right? So it stays in the open position basically, and then once you want to take your phone out, you just tap the sides, and then you just take your phone out, and it stays in that position for a while. So it's really cool in my opinion, to be able to just put your phone down with that and it'll lock in. Now, before I was mentioning, basically you could do this right here. You could push this down a bit, and you could bring it down a bit more. That way your phone isn't, if you have a bigger phone, it'll stick a bit better. I think I like this angle so far right now. It's not too bad. Basically, if I had a POV, not exactly POV, so you don't know where I live, this is exactly where my eye levels are right now. And when I'm driving, it's good enough where I look on the side, I can see everything. But it's not too bad, right? So I can see basically what's on my screen very easily. So I have Waze on it, I can see it, It's not gonna block any of my controls here, and it works pretty well. And now I can actually put my sunglasses case right on here and not worry about it, because I don't like putting sunglasses because I always forget about it. So if I put it there, it's not obstructing my view at all, which is great, and it works pretty well. So yeah, I think I'll keep it that way. I think this setup works pretty well. Only issue, again, like I said, is that I can't close this last part right here, which doesn't really need to stay closed. I never really had to hide anything, unless I had to hide my phone, but never really had to, so I'm good with that. So yeah, I think this looks pretty well, pretty sleek, pretty slim fitting. It's really hard to tell anyways from any spot as to what's going on. I'm not adjusting my steering wheel just for this, so that's great. So yeah, this is the TopFit for now. Works pretty well. I've always wanted to be able to use Waze, and I hated that it was right here, because this is more annoying. If Waze was running down there, to keep looking down, and I wouldn't be focused on the road. If I'm looking down, I wouldn't be focused on the road. If this is my angle, I wouldn't be able to focus on the road because I'll be looking down if I'm trying to check Waze, basically, and I don't like that. So heading it right here is much easier because I'm already looking at it. I'm already looking at P's. I can just lean over a bit to look at Waze, so it's much better this way. I just want to say thank you all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please consider subscribing, and if you like this video, again, please give this video a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you, and I hope you all have a great day.